Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use Google Bard as a Greek translator. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. To get started, effortlessly input your Greek text into the chat. Kick off the transformation by using the phrase, "Translate this in English," and then proceed to hit the enter key. Witness the nimble and accurate English translation deftly produced by Google Bard, revealing the fundamental essence of the Greek words. However, the linguistic exploration doesn't end here. If your curiosity drives you to explore the Greek translation of an English phrase, the process maintains its unwavering grace. Just as before, translate this to Greek before entering your desired English text. Observe how Google Bard adeptly responds, seamlessly providing the precise Greek translation. While the capabilities of Google Bard are undeniably impressive, it is important to recognize that accuracy may fluctuate, particularly in intricate contexts or when dealing with sensitive terminology. When dealing with significant matters, seeking a second opinion is a prudent step. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.